Hi guys, you probably don't know my face, but I hope you can recognize my voice. So my name is Dmitry and I am the author of the tutorial on this channel. And recently I created new tutorial, Selenium Webdriver for beginners. I put it on the Udemy as many of you suggested. I also have this one on Udemy too, but you know, on YouTube it's for free. The next course, Selenium Webdriver for beginners, it's basically a respin of this one, but I made it more detailed, so it's like more for beginners. I explain every step by step, including the Java methods and stuff like that. And also I added some more stuff to the tutorial. So if you feel like this one was too hard for you, or yeah, if it was too hard for you, I will leave the link in the description for the Udemy course with the promo code. So it's not going to be full price, it's going to be discounted. So if you feel like you want to try, link in the description. And now I'm gonna put in this video intro to my tutorial.
Hi guys, and welcome to the Selenium WebDriver for Beginners course. My name is Dmitry and I am lead test automation engineer with 6 years of experience automating tests using Selenium WebDriver. I decided to record this course for complete beginners in test automation to teach how to set up, create and execute tests using Selenium WebDriver. At the end of this course, you will be able to automate software tests using Java and TestNG framework, execute tests in Chrome, Firefox and other browsers, recognize different test failures and exceptions, and know how to fix and avoid them. The course will consist of 5 parts. We will start from the very beginning, learn how to prepare environment and install all needed components, create and run basic tests, combine tests into test suites. We'll learn benefits of TestNG and will debug tests and learn most common test failures. I designed this course for manual software testers that do not have any development experience but want to learn test automation, to maybe get a new, better job or start automating tests inside current company. Software developers that need to test web applications will also benefit greatly from this course. Do not be afraid if you never used Java before. I will try to explain every step in details, so people without previous programming experience still be able to follow me. If you want, you can also take some basic Java or Java for testers course in parallel with this one to benefit even more. Feel free to take a look at the course description and check out few preview videos, and I look forward seeing you in first video.